All right, we're gonna go for a little ride here in a fun 1969 Chevelle Convertible. They didn't make very many of these. Not very many convertibles. Plenty of coupes, but you don't see that many convertibles. This was all tricked out like in a super sport trim, so it's got the interior and the hood and the stripes down the side. Looks like an SS, but it's got a small block in it. It's got one of those ZZ4 crate motors in it, which is actually more horsepower than a 396 would have been for this year. So a 355 horsepower small block. It's got aluminum intake, Holley carburetor. They come that way from GM. Aluminum heads. It's like a carb to pan engine. So, but they're reliable and you just can't beat them. This has got a turbo 350 automatic transmission too, with the buckets, console. This is also the original color combination per the trim tag. Cortez silver with this dark red vinyl interior. Sounds good. It's got some Flowmasters on it, dual exhaust all the way out the back. It's got disc brakes up front, power steering. It's got air conditioning. That's a major plus. Well, for a convertible, I guess you don't really need it, but you know, when the top's up and it's too hot, just crank the air on. It's got the original steering wheel. It's got a tilt steering column. That's a nice option. Power top. It's got a black top with a glass rear window. Just a beautiful car. I'll go walk around it here and take some more pictures and give you a little closer look at it. We're gonna do a little walk around here with our 1969 Chevelle Convertible. Pretty rare. You don't see a whole lot of convertibles in any form in these years, you know. This is tricked out with SS trim, as I mentioned earlier. So it's not an SS, but it's got the SS stripe down the side. Got the SS badges, SS hood. Got the dual exhaust with Flowmasters with some headers on there. Really clean. 17-inch rev wheels. Got the wheel well trim. All the chrome is nice. Got a couple of left and right mirrors. They're brand new. You know, it's driver quality. Got a couple little things here in the paint, but you can't tell. You have to really be looking up close to see anything. But nothing wrong with it. Nice and solid underneath. Interior's beautiful too. Got the original red interior per the trim tag. You got a tilt wheel. Factory air conditioning, works great. Bucket seats with a center console. It's got a power top. There's your power top switch there. I think the radio was converted to be able to use with your phone, but I haven't figured out how it works yet, so. But that's there. Seat belts. It's a good looking little car. Fun to drive, especially in the summer. Here's the power plant in the 69 Chevelle. That's a ZZ4 crate motor, which is 355 horsepower. It comes carb to pan from General Motors when you buy it. So aluminum heads, aluminum intake, Holley 4-barrel carburetor. Just real basic, simple. This one has the dual master updated disc brakes up front. They're non-power, but you can add power if you want, but they stop good. The AC has been converted to the new Freon, R134, but it runs nice and cool and everything. But with that 350 turbo transmission and the 10-volt freeway gear differential, you just hop on the freeway with this thing and go. Go ahead and fire it up for you here. Got just enough rumble to it. It's not obnoxious. There's your gauges down there. It's got good oil pressure and good temp. Nice and smooth motor under the hood. Looks good, sounds good. Got a nice little rumble out the back. At 355 horsepower, it's nothing to snooze at. Anyway, if you want to see this in person, come visit me in California Cars. We're in Simi Valley, 2158 Union Place, city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car in person, give you a little tour, take it for a hot lap. Thanks for watching.